Super frequency off. I'm turning off the super weak weapons. So I'm getting rid of Vortex, Time Bomb, and Devastator. But I'm keeping everything else. No turn speed limiting. What was that level we just did? You were pretty good at it. Yeah, Vault. That's a pretty good map for 2-player. Dude, I can't imagine 8 players on that map. That would be terrible. I did not. Oh, man. I mean, at least it gives a recommendation of how many people should be. I mean, teams 4v4 would be really nasty on that map. But I think a smaller map is better because we don't want to be spending a whole lot of time running around. So, Wraith. This map I'm terrible at. Yeah. Nope. I'm not a fan of that level. I died a lot on that multiplayer I played. Yeah, because you like to get... what about Blizzard? I'm not familiar with that. Nope, I'm not familiar with that at all. Yeah, sure. I mean, I learn maps generally pretty fast. Actually, let's test something. Go create a match and have the password set as 1234. No, I'm gonna try to start a map with 1234 as well and see what it does. Right. No, I have not. I'm waiting for you to do it. Okay. We need a third computer to see what match it joins. Yeah. So I wonder what it would do like if I went to go join now. Okay, go ahead and quit your match. Let's see if you can join my match. That's funny. Yeah. I have a third account. I just don't have the computer in a place where I could easily run it. Okay, so Windows Command G. And I'm going to say, I'll record my audio because you'll be able to cue that up with your, I wonder how long it'll be before I run out of mics or hard drive space. I don't even know how much I have at the moment. Okay. Oh, okay. God, what am I stuck? Ah. Is there splash damage for that weapon? I don't know. I thought that hit, yeah. That one didn't seem like it should have hit me. Oh, my voice will actually tell you what I think about the shots. That one hit me, so I don't feel bad about that hit. Ooh, 2 shots. You had a good charge up on it. So you'll see, like, on the replays for this, you'll see one of my like, that hit you. Oops. Oh shit. I wish slide was a little bit faster. Ah, that was a good shot. I should have switched directions. That didn't hit you? Oh shit. I knew I was gonna die. I did the stupid, like, bull rush thing, and that always gets me killed with this, specifically with this gun. I should have had you dead there, but that was just, I had bad aim. See, I started doing the bull rush again, which put me right in front of you. Yeah, no, that's okay. I should be able to avoid some of that. This is good dogfight practice. Damn, that should have hit you. Where'd you go? Let's go get energy. Ah, sad. Unhappy panda. This is like the kind of room that I actually like fighting in mostly. But it's not, you know, something that you can sneak around the outside. Oh, damn, that thing does a lot of damage up close. Yeah, which I'm not too good at right now. Damn, that was a lot of work. That is not a good kill to death ratio. Did I get you with the missile? Yeah, this is a tight little... This is a very tight little map. Where does this go? Yeah, I did. I saw you coming around the corner. I gotta adjust my timing to this. This is good practice for this weapon for me, because I really hate this weapon. So I don't play with it because it's not my, I always, it's just a mental block. You know, there was just this one guy who was really good at this game. Ah, that on my screen. Yeah, my screen, it didn't look like it hit me either. It looked like I was just outside of it. But It was in the I was in the latency window. Oh, that was a good shot. Oh, that was a good evade there. Yeah. So there's something really cool about the plasma. About this, or the Thunderbolt, sorry. It cancels with afterburners. Well, I was trying to trick you in the tunnels. I think I killed myself. I did kill myself. Yeah, let's see how we do in this room. Oh, wow. That one shot that hit me looked like it was behind me. So the nice thing is I'm using my voice on this while it's recording, so you'll actually hear my commentary with it. Nice fade. Oh, what? Thought for sure that would kill you. Ah, nice one. So that was a case of me using my, trying to use my fingers to slide. Oh, son of a bitch. You totally got me. Good sneak up. Good sneak up. No, it's good. No, on my screen it was perfectly executed, and when you watch the replay, you're gonna love it. Oh, that was dead center. You're really good at the short game. Yeah, how was I doing on like the other night you said? I think you were saying like I was predictable or something, like I was always flying in a straight line. Well, the good news is I don't get mad when I play anymore. When I was younger, I got mad a lot and would play on tilt. I think the missiles hit you on that too, but you still got damage off on me. Oh, I was just off-timed it. Oh, shit. that hit you? Oh shit. I was just getting ready to change direction. If I can tighten up my input controls, I think I'll be pretty good. Like, I'd just like to get back to being as good as I was when I played back in the old days. Ah, shit. Wrong inputs. Oh, you son of a bitch. You ran into that. See, I feel like that hit you twice. Yeah, well, it's but yeah, you really still like I hit you there. I hit you there. Hit you there. That one actually hit you. That hit you. That hit you. Ah. So I'm not very good at adjusting for lag. Oh, I waited too long for that. So that was I didn't know I thought it was going to take you longer to come out of that tunnel. What? Man, it'll be interesting when you see that replay. Like, what you'll see what I can see. Yeah. Shit. I was stuck on that. Excuse me, I was stuck on that wall. Well, I was just adjusting to your circle. And you'll... Oh, nice. You had the same idea I did. Oh, you went the other way. That was pretty good. I thought you were going to commit to going backwards. Ooh, you got another shot off faster than I could do it. Yeah! Home run! Oh, nice change up. Oh, I ran right into that. Oh, you totally wanted to run into that. I saw you go in that direction. You were totally gonna run into it. You were sliding right towards it. You stopped the very last second. You're like, ugh. Oh, a good change up. Adaptability, man. Adaptability is key to any game. You totally did too. It was really good. You're gonna like the replay on that. Wow, we both had the same idea. Dude, did my release shot hit, I wonder? I wouldn't be able to tell. Oh, okay. So here, let me let's stop this. Okay, and let's see. Damn, 26 to 6. That was pretty good. Your accuracy is far higher than mine. Um, yeah, and my play style is really bad. Like if I was running the flak cannon, well, even then though, I have a very big disadvantage. Well, you would be running away from me. You would be less likely to want to engage me in a closed room like that. Your strategy would be to go to the tunnels, right, where you have an advantage. Right. Okay. I'm gonna try to upload that